It's possible making money online. Welcome back. Today we speak about online business and making money online. The first question is, it's possible making money online? And it's yes, it's not so hard and it's not a magical thing than most people think. It's possible and real, and a lot of people earn a lot of money online in different ways that we cover in this video. The first that I want to introduce is e-commerce. Through e-commerce you can sell your products or the products from someone else. You buy the product and you resell with a profit. It's simple to start, but it's not simple to. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme making money online, and you need to work, learn about marketing, how to position your brand, how to create an online store, how to get traffic from the Facebook, Instagram, and all the platforms. But definitely it's one of the best way to make money online. You work for yourself and you can get a lot of money selling whatever you want, and something trending or a unique product, you can choose it. The second way is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what is affiliate marketing, you take one product from another company and you drive traffic to this product and you get a commission. For example, you go to Amazon affiliates, you sign up, and then you choose one product to promote. Maybe yoga pants. You promote this yoga pants, and then when someone buy these yoga pants from your link, you get a commission. It goes around from 2 to 10%. If you get a lot of traffic, you can get a lot of money, and it's not very hard. You need some followers and some advertising skills. The third method is personal branding online. Something like your personal brand on Instagram or YouTube, like this, or Facebook page. If you already have some followers, you can use these followers to monetize your page simply through yourself. If you have a fitness profile like me, it's here, you can simply promote a fitness product and fitness related stuff through an affiliate link or your product, and then you earn a commission, or you can choose the margin. The fourth way, it's making a course. If you're good to playing basketball, you can create a little course that shows how you shot, how you move, how to run, how to jump more high, and all the simple stuff. And then you can sell this course through social media or YouTube or paid traffic. You can go advertise your course. The last method that I want to show you today, it's build an influencer page like Instagram influencer. There are a lot of people that create the page Instagram that go from 100,000 to millions of followers, and they're in a specific niche. For example, you create a dog page on Instagram and you grow constantly and you build your community around this page. And then when someone is interested to post something on your page, like a product or something, they pay you to post their picture. And you can earn a lot of money with this, and make sure that you have real followers, a lot of engagement and likes and comments, and leverage these to grow other pages and make more money. So this was a little video to introduce the online business, how to make money online, if it's possible. And yes, it's possible. It's not so hard how a lot of people think. The first, it's get started. Go now and sign up in the Amazon affiliate program or create a page. And the most important thing, it's don't give up, because if you create your page and then you are waiting for money, but your followers don't go to zero from 100,000 in one day. You need constantly post, constantly respond to comments, interact, engage with other people. And same thing with e-commerce, affiliate marketing, personal brand. It's not like the lottery. You put one video online and you earn tons of money. You need to work hard and learn a lot of marketing and this new online world. I hope you liked this video. If it's this, please drop a like down below. Comment if you are already using one of these business models online. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow in a new video. Peace.